Welcome to Backyard Plus. In this video we show you how to retrofit the 08 to 12.5 Limelight spa with the 76836 Eagle Box and the 76845 topside control panel. Before we get started, let's go over the tools and parts you will need. Tools you will need: Phillips head screwdriver, small flathead screwdriver, needle nose vice grips, putty knife, silicone adhesive, and a caulking gun. Parts you will need: 76836 Eagle Box and the 76845 control panel. If you are unable to disable the spa lock feature on the Limelight topside control panel, it means the control panel is bad and must be replaced. Now let's get started. Step 1. Disconnect power from the spa. Step 2. Remove the equipment door and the IQ 2020 control box lid. Step 3. Disconnect all the wires from the terminal block, including the heater wires connected to H1 and H2 and the heater ground. Step 4. Remove the heater cord and power cord from the spa. Step 5. Disconnect the pressure switch, Limtherm, Regtherm, control panel, and light connector from the I2C interface. Step 6. Disconnect the circulation pump and both jet pumps from the motherboard. Step 7. Disconnect the light power supply from the APM and the ozonator from the ozone. Step 8. Disconnect the bonding wires from the bonding terminal on the IQ 2020 control box. Step 9. Loosen the two mounting screws. Slide the control box to the right and remove the control box from the spa. Step 10. Place masking tape around the edge of the control panel to prevent scratching. Step 11. Break the silicone seal with a putty knife and remove the control panel from the spa. Step 12. Install the Eagle Box on the mounting bracket and secure it with the two mounting screws. Step 13. For 115-volt operation in convertible spas, install the power jumpers in the terminal block. Place one between 4 and 5, one between 6 and 7, and a wire jumper between 6 and 2. For a 230-volt operation, place a power jumper between 6 and 7 only. If your spa is a permanently connected 230-volt spa, no power jumper is needed. Connect the green wire to the grounding lug, white wire to terminal 7, connect the 230-amp wires jet pump circuit to 5 and 6, connect the 220-amp wires heater circuit to 2 and 4. Step 14. Connect the high limit thermistor, regulating thermistor, and the pressure switch. Step 15. Connect the heater. Connect the black wire to H1, white wire to H2, and green ground wire to the heater ground. Step 16. Connect the incoming power. Connect black to terminal 4, white to terminal 7, and the green to the grounding lug. Step 17. Connect jet pump 1, jet pump 2, and the circulation pump. Step 18. Connect the light power supply to the APM at J35 and J39. Step 19. Connect the red light connector to the peripheral interface. Step 20. Connect the bonding wires to the bonding terminal on the Eagle box. Step 21. Using a putty knife, remove the old silicone from the bar top. Clean the surface and make sure it is free from oils and debris. Step 22. Place the control panel cable into the opening and check the fitment. Turn the control panel upside down and place a 1/4 inch bead of silicone caulking around the entire edge of the control panel. Step 23. Install the control panel into the bar top. Press down firmly and hold the control panel in place for at least 1 minute. Step 24. Plug the control panel into the control head interface port on the motherboard. Thanks for watching. Our goal here at Backyard Plus is to save you money by avoiding costly service calls for repairs that you could easily do by yourself. If you have any questions or need to place an order, feel free to give us a call at 805-541-9000 or visit us online at backyardplus.com.